This video explains the environment setup procedure in order to connect to Microsoft Azure using the Renesas RX65N Cloud Kit and the Azure Real-Time OS sample program. We will go through the process to prepare the Renesas RX65N Cloud Kit, a Microsoft Azure account, the Azure Real-Time OS sample program, E-Square Studio IDE from Renesas, and other related development tools to run the sample program. The RX65N Cloud Kit is a comprehensive solution kit that integrates the Renesas high-performance 32-bit MCU, multiple sensors, and a wireless connection. This kit consists of 3 boards. The Renesas RX65N high-performance 32-bit MCU is mounted on the target board. A light sensor, an environment sensor that can measure temperature, humidity, and air pressure, a 3-axis acceleration sensor, and a 3-axis gyro sensor are mounted on the option board. Network communication can be performed using the Wi-Fi module, which can connect to the PMOD connector on the option board. There are 3 USB interfaces. The micro USB terminal is for a USB full-speed interface, and the 2 USB Mini B terminals are for debugging and communication with the terminal software. Create a Microsoft Azure account in advance to connect the RX65N Cloud Kit to Azure IoT Hub on Microsoft Azure. The RX65N Cloud Kit supports Azure Real-Time OS. The sample program uses Azure Real-Time OS. This section explains the installation procedure of the tools required to execute the sample program. Install the E-Square Studio IDE. Go to the E-Square Studio download page. Scroll down and download the installer. Run the installer after the download is completed. Click Next when ready to install. Select the desired RX family in the device families. If you want to use another device family, select as appropriate. Select Real-Time OS in Extra Features. If you need another feature, select the items as required. In Additional Software, select the GCC Toolchains and Utilities tab and select the GCC compiler. Please review the software agreement and click Accept to proceed. Click Install to start the installation. If another installation prompt appears during the installation, click Next to run the installation. A user registration and authorization code are required to install the GCC compiler. This code is available from the GCC tool site for Renesas microcontrollers. The installation of E-Square Studio is completed when the installation completion message is displayed. Install Azure IoT Explorer, which is used to confirm the communication between Azure IoT Hub and RX65N Cloud Kit. Download the latest version of the installer from the Azure IoT Explorer download site. Start installation when the download is completed. Click the Azure IoT Explorer icon and confirm to launch. Install the Git tool in order to get a web application that displays the sensor data uploaded to Azure IoT Hub as a graph. Download the latest version of the Windows installer from the Git download site. After the download is completed, run the installer and follow the instructions to install. In this video, there is no need to change the installation settings. After the installation is finished, launch the command prompt and input the command git space -- version. Confirm that the installed Git version is displayed. Next, install the npm that runs the Graph Display web application. Download the latest recommended installer for Windows from the Node.js download site. After the download is completed, run the installer and follow the instructions to install. After the installation is completed, launch a command prompt and execute the node-v and npm-v commands and confirm the version is displayed. Install Tera Term to monitor the operation of the RX65N Cloud Kit. Download installer version 4.105 from the Tera Term download site. After the download is completed, run the installer and follow the instructions to install. After the installation is completed, click the Tera Term icon to launch Tera Term.